If you think your kitchen is complete, think again. Today, we're diving into 25 genius Amazon kitchen gadgets that are going viral this month. The kind that make cooking faster, smarter, and way more fun. From space-saving tools to mind-blowing time savers, you're about to discover gadgets you wish you had ages ago. Let's jump straight in. Level up your tea game with this stainless steel tea infuser. Just scoop in your favorite loose leaves, drop it into hot water, and enjoy a perfectly brewed, mess-free cup every time. It's durable, reusable, and delivers richer flavor than regular tea bags. A must-have for tea lovers. This manual adjustable jar opener gives you effortless grip on any jar size. Just adjust, twist, and the lid pops open without strain. Perfect for tight lids, slippery jars, or anyone who wants quick, hassle-free opening every time. This triangle corner strainer instantly upgrades your sink by catching all food scraps in a clean, removable mesh bag. It saves you from clogged drains, messy leftovers, and constant cleaning. Just hang the bag, let it collect the waste, and toss it out in seconds. Super hygienic and super convenient. This spice rack organizer keeps all your seasonings neatly arranged and easy to grab while cooking. With multiple tiers and a space-saving design, it transforms messy countertops into a clean, organized setup. No more searching for bottles. Everything stays visible, accessible, and stylishly displayed for a smoother kitchen experience. These food storage bags come with a convenient cap and handle, making pouring, storing, and carrying super easy. Perfect for grains, snacks, pulses, or leftovers. They keep everything fresh and mess-free. The sturdy handle helps you grip and pour without spills, turning everyday storage into a smooth, organized experience. This garlic mincer crushes cloves in seconds and stores them neatly in the built-in container. No more sticky hands or strong odors. Just fresh, evenly minced garlic ready to use anytime. Fast, clean, and incredibly convenient for everyday cooking. Say hello to effortless healthy cooking with this 2-tier food steamer. Its dual-layer design lets you steam veggies, dumplings, rice, and proteins all at once, saving both time and energy. Steam locks in nutrients, flavor, and natural moisture, giving you perfectly cooked meals without oil or hassle. The transparent layers let you monitor progress easily, while the compact build fits any kitchen. Whether you're meal prepping or eating clean, this steamer makes healthy living incredibly simple. This stainless steel foldable steamer basket turns any pot into a steaming machine. Its expandable design fits multiple pot sizes, while the raised base keeps food lifted for even steaming. Perfect for veggies, dumplings, or momos. It folds flat for easy storage and delivers healthier cooking with zero fuss. Turn ordinary breakfasts into fun, Instagram-worthy plates with this egg mold shaper. Just place it on your pan, pour the egg, and watch it transform into a perfect heart, star, or flower shape. Kids love it, guests notice it, and your meals instantly look more exciting. It's a simple little tool that adds creativity, charm, and joy to every morning. Make perfect dumplings twice as fast with this manual double-head dumpling press maker. Just place the wrapper, add your filling, and press. Both dumplings seal beautifully in one smooth motion. No more uneven edges or messy folding. It's quick, satisfying, and ideal for making momos, samosas, ravioli, or snacks in bulk. A must-have tool for every home chef who loves convenience. Keep your snacks fresh with this portable mini sealer machine. Just slide it across any plastic bag, and it heat seals it airtight in seconds. No clips, no spills, no wasted food. Compact, rechargeable, and perfect for chips, spices, or storage bags. Freshness is literally one swipe away. This wall-mounted stackable spice rack frees up your countertop instantly. Each tier snaps securely into place, keeping all your jars visible, organized, and easy to reach while cooking. Its sleek, vertical design saves space and turns plain walls into a practical, clutter-free storage zone. Perfect for small kitchens. Transform apple prep into a quick, satisfying task with this peeler and corer tool. Just clamp, turn, and watch the skin glide off while the core pops out perfectly. Ideal for baking, smoothies, or healthy snacking. It delivers uniform, clean results every time, without wasted time or effort. This oil dispenser bottle brings precision and cleanliness to your kitchen. Designed with a controlled pour spout, it lets you drizzle just the right amount of oil without spills or greasy mess. The transparent body helps you track usage easily, while the airtight cap keeps everything fresh. Perfect for cooking, grilling, or salad dressing. It turns everyday oil usage into a smoother, cleaner, and more efficient experience. Bring your dull knives back to life with this powerful sharpening tool. Just swipe the blade a few times, and it restores razor-sharp edges instantly. Fast, safe, and incredibly effective. It makes chopping, slicing, and prepping feel brand new again. This multi-purpose grinder is your all-in-one solution for quick, effortless grinding. From spices and coffee beans to nuts and grains, it handles everything with smooth, consistent power. The stainless steel blades deliver fine results in seconds, while the compact design fits any kitchen. Whether you're cooking daily meals or experimenting with new recipes, this grinder brings speed, precision, and versatility to every prep session. Remove apple cores in one clean push with this easy-to-use corer tool. Its sharp, tubular design slides through the center effortlessly, giving you perfectly cored apples without the mess. Ideal for snacks, baking, salads, or meal prep. It saves time and keeps every slice neat and uniform. This handheld Mandoline slicer turns everyday chopping into clean, precise slicing with almost zero effort. Just glide your veggies across the adjustable blade, and you get perfectly even slices every time. Whether it's cucumbers, potatoes, onions, or fruits, the ergonomic grip keeps your hands steady, while the safety guard protects your fingers. Ideal for salads, chips, stir-fries, or garnishing. It brings restaurant-level consistency straight to your home kitchen. Quick, efficient, and incredibly satisfying to use. Slice watermelon the easy way with this clever cutter. It glides through the fruit and gives you neat, bite-sized cubes in seconds. No mess, no struggle. Just quick, clean, perfectly shaped pieces ready to enjoy anytime. This peeler with a built-in trash can make kitchen prep unbelievably neat. As you peel fruits or vegetables, the waste collects directly inside the attached container. No more scattered skins or messy counters. Its sharp blade gives smooth, effortless peeling, while the compact bin pops open for quick disposal. Perfect for fast, clean cooking sessions, this tool turns everyday prep into a tidy, hassle-free experience. This all-purpose foam cleaner works like magic on almost any surface. Spray it on, and the thick foam lifts dirt, grease, stains, and grime without heavy scrubbing. From kitchen counters and appliances to car interiors, furniture, and tiles, it restores surfaces to a fresh, like new shine. Fast, effective, and incredibly satisfying, it's the ultimate cleaning solution every home needs. This stainless steel food processor brings serious power to your kitchen. Chop, mix, grind, or blend ingredients in seconds with its high-speed blades and durable metal body. From dough and veggies to sauces and spices, it handles everything effortlessly. Reliable, sturdy, and efficient, it's the perfect partner for fast, everyday cooking. Make fresh noodles and pasta at home with this fully automatic maker. Just add your ingredients, press a button, and watch it knead, shape, and push out perfect strands in minutes. No effort, no mess. Just fast, fresh, restaurant-style pasta whenever you want. A total game changer. This microwave oven rack instantly creates extra storage in your kitchen. Place your microwave below and use the top shelf for jars, spices, or utensils. Strong, stable, and smartly designed, it declutters your counter and keeps everything organized and within easy reach. Perfect for compact kitchens. Upgrade your kitchen with this wall-mounted liquid seasoning rack designed for clean, clutter-free convenience. Each bottle dispenses sauces, oils, or vinegars smoothly with a simple press, giving you perfect control while cooking. The transparent design helps you monitor levels easily, and the airtight caps keep everything fresh. Mounted on the wall, it frees up valuable counter space and adds a stylish, organized touch to your cooking area. A smart, elegant solution for modern kitchens. Create perfect homemade ravioli or dumplings with this simple, satisfying mold. Just place your dough, add the filling, and press. Each piece comes out evenly shaped with beautifully sealed edges. Whether you're making snacks or dinner, it turns cooking into a fun, hands-on experience and gives your dishes a professional, handcrafted touch. So that wraps up today's list of genius kitchen gadgets everyone is grabbing this month. Tell me which one impressed you the most. I love hearing your picks. And hey, if you enjoy discovering smart Amazon finds, make sure you stick around, because the next video is even more insane. See you there.